So, I had to let go of my, syempre, pagpunta mo sa ibang bayan, hindi ka na si Direk, hindi ka na si ganyan. So, I took on a managerial corporate position in TFC.
But ito, you're doing it kumbaga on the side of movies that you do for them.
That's correct. I am an employee of the Filipino channel under ABS-CBN, of course. I handle the international distribution of Star Cinema movies all over. So it is. I don't want to delve into that, but that's my desk job. And part of the TFC at the movies is to create content of stories of Filipinos outside of the Philippines, perhaps, and give them, siguro, there have been movies far and in between that actually speak of the lives of Filipinos abroad. And when we have the chance, syempre, bibigyan natin yung pinakamagandang storya sa...
So this is going to be a regular thing. Are you working on another movie that will be a follow-up for Edsa Woodwork?
From a mother story to this, it took some time kasi mahirap maghino. But yes, the process of the direction of TFC and TFC at the movies, and likewise with Star Cinema is to move and discover stories outside of the Philippine shores. So hopefully, hindi biro pero sana.
Si Lee Robin Salazar, doon yun na nakuha, doon siya naka-base talaga.
Opo. Si Lee left already back in mid-2000. Mas maaga pa yata siya eh. And si Lee Robin is a host of a Double Nation, a local program that we have on TFC. And I knew he was an actor, and I knew that he was acting in theater. So there was a very important character named Patrick in the movie. And I said, are you willing to do this? Kasi medyo demanding yung role ni Lee. And I don't want to preempt his character, but maganda connected to the character of Bonnie. So, yun na. So,
So may love interest pala si Richie dito?
Parang meron. Opo.
So bakit hindi niyo sinama dito?
No, Lee was here for vacation. He came before Christmas and then he just left for...
Pero he arrives on Friday, so he will attend the premiere.
Okay. Thank you very much, and I hope it's going to be a big hit.
Yes, salamat Mario. Tita, limit na natin daw to
Si Mercy Leharde of Tonight has 2 questions daw. Ang last natin from teacher Emmy Abuan.
Okay.
Ito ngayon si
Ito, Mercy.
Santa Claus is coming to us later from Miss Elsa Woolworth. Yay! Hindi pa tapos ha? Chinese New Year pa. Anyway, kaya ko lang, Santa Claus is coming to us later from Miss Elsa Woolworth. Yay! Get nyo ha? Get nyo na. Elsa ba yun? Elsa! Elsa! Elsa Woolworth. Anyway, Miss Poppy, do you believe that there is really Santa Claus? And why? And do you believe or not?
What is the question again, please?
Do you believe that there's really Santa Claus? And why you believe or not?
Thank you so much for that very educational question.
Papatulan mo talaga, sasagutin mo.
Standing in front of you, wow, beauty queen ang dating ng... Alam mo, araw-araw, nasa puso naman natin talagang pag-Santa Claus. No, yun. Hindi naman kailangan tuwing Pasko lang may Santa Claus.
Okay.
Diba?
May point ka doon. Anyway, another question.
Yes.
Do you believe that the family that eats together
Have one plate? Yeah, the family that eats together have one plate. That prays together have one rosary.
and also
That's all.
sleeps together?
Have one pillow.
Okay. Thank you very much.
At least may relief. Ngayon ito si
Ito, Emmy, for the last question.
Tapos I give up the microphone to the main host, si AJ.
Yes po.
Hello, Derek. Derek, equally distributed po ba yung mga roles sa mga local actors and American actors?
Opo. True. Hindi naman masasabi kong equally, syempre. The movie is all about Edsa Woolworth. Pero to the question, do all the characters have high points in the movie? The answer is yes. Do all the characters in the movie have conflict and issues? The answer is yes. And hopefully, nare-resolve siya because lahat ng issues bumabalik sa family values nila. So tinatanong lagi natin, ano nga ba? Ito ba o yung puso? Is it the heart of the brain that makes you decide to take care of your family? And all of them basically are thrown that question, and all of them have high points in the film that actually address the issue and resolve the problem.
Okay. Last question ko kay Poki. Poki, sabi mo kanina na being the only female cast, ini-spoil ka nila ng mga kasamahan mo. So, in what way kang ini-spoil ng mga kasamahan mo?
Ay, unang-una po, talagang make sure nila na nakapag-relax ako. Tapos, yung talagang kumain ka na, ganyan talagang sila yung nag-aalaga sa akin. Although may kasama naman po na akong +1 doon na makeup artist ko dati. Pero talagang sila yung tutok talaga sa akin, yung mga gamit ko. Sila po yung tinutulungan nila ako mag-ayos, mag-ano lahat. Sobrang alagang-alaga. Ganun po.
Okay, thank you.
Tatanungin ko lang kasi, so for everyone, how would you know if love is for real? Kasi yun ang the question eh. Paano nyo nalalaman kung totoong pag-ibig na ba? Pagmamahal. Let's start with, it doesn't have to be love for the opposite sex. Generally, how would you know if universal love is for real? Prince?
Hindi mo maiisip.
Ito sa microphone, no? Ayan, matuto ka na gumamit ito.
Tingin ko po hindi nyo maiisip yun eh. As in, you feel it inside of you. Whether or not it's romantic or pag nakikita mo yung tao, you just can't help but be happy around them. You know, you just either with your family as well. It's
really
kahit anong galit na galit kayo, ginagalit nila kayo, you just can't stay mad at them for very long because it's inside of you.
Okay. Richie for the final question.